Good afternoon guys! Welcome back to my channel! I love you!
Love you too.
Mwah. For today's video guys, isa-surprise natin si Papito kasi 6 months sorry na namin. So 6 months sorry na namin for today guys. Before I will show you the cake or the surprise that I have here, I will make a shout out to those people that, you know, always watch my videos. Si Leticia Sabares, and then at saka si Mex Videos TV, tsaka si Jessica Samucho. So hello guys! Thank you for watching my vlog. Today is July 26. It's Sunday and natulog pa siya guys. Aantayin natin kung kailan siya magising kasi kagabi andun siya, pumunta siya sa party nila, Olympic party. For us. Yeah, cake. It's a cake. Look. It's a happy Monthsary. Happy 6th Monthsary guys. Yan guys, ito yung pa-surprise ko mamaya sa kanya, and I hope na magustuhan niya. Pinipicturan ko na to and isasend ko mamaya sa kanya. Hindi tayo magpabungga ngayon guys kasi diba for my past ex-boyfriend, you know, super yung ano ko, yung pag-e-effort na papusula lang pala. So ayokong issue sa kanya yung talagang ganun ako. Pwede rin yung gayahin, but para sa akin guys, gusto kong simple lang for this time na lang. For this time kasi parang wala lang ako ng gana sa surprise guys. Kasi as long as guys na may surprise kayo sa boyfriend nyo, jowa nyo, and may isa pa akong surprise guys. Ito. Di ba pinapakita ko sa inyo yung last video ko? Hindi ko pa ito napakita sa kanya. Nagpa-vlog lang ako nun na dinadrawing ko siya, pero ipapakita ko sa kanya mamaya. Kasi guys later, kasi tulog pa siya guys eh. Yeah, I will make a screen record and sisiguraduhin ko na talaga guys na may sound talaga itong voice record na to. And yeah, message na si Papito sa akin like, I will call you in 5 minutes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Nakakakaba pa rin guys kahit ganito, kahit you know, like a small surprise, nakakakaba pa rin guys. I don't know what's wrong. Guys, sa call niya. And yeah, let's see if anong reaction niya. Kasi parang hangover pa yun guys. Kasi let's see guys kung anong reaction niya. Happy 6th month! Sorry, Papito. Are you hungover pa? Huh?
Hello.
What?
Hello. Okay, go.
Yeah, that's easy. Read it. Look.
Happy 6th. What does it say?
It's
And the bird?
no man. Sorry, you cannot see it anyway.
No. It's blurry.
It's Monthsary.
Monthsary.
Yeah. Have any idea, Papito? I don't have. What's it called? I don't have do anything here, so I was thinking I was just counting the months that we meet. You know, January 26 we met together, and I counted it. It's what's it called? Yeah, we're already 6 months. I was like, what? It's so fast. So I will try to surprise you with a small surprise.
Oh, thank you. A flower in the hair even.
Huh?
And you have flower in the hair.
Of course. Look, same here. I decorate it now, so I try to put here the rest. I love you.
Love you too.
Where's my kiss, Oi? The big kiss I want. I cannot see your lips. And yeah, February, March, April, May, June, July. So 6 months.
Oh,
Like you said that we're starting to count it when we first time we meet. Right? So I counted. Hangover. Are you excited with the
I am,
drawing?
yes.
I love you.
And happy 6-month anniversary to you too.
You're still drunk.
Yes.
Your face, oh. It's Mr. Crab na. Are you excited with the drawing because you want to see it?
I am, yes.
I was so buang here, papito. When I wake up, like, hello. But I will send the picture so that you can see easily. Look. Kidding. No, because it's pencil. But I will send you a picture.
Please do, because it's very difficult to see the white. I can't see it at all.
I will send you, ha.
Now I open.
Don't laugh. Hey, what happened? What the? Is that you? You know that I good in drawing.
What does it say in the thing? Dressed in art.
Of course! This in
And what is it? Your signature? And your signature, right?
That's my signature because you, of course, after you draw, then you put the autograph on it. What do you think, huh?
You have very nice lips on your big lips at the picture.
This is the screenshots. I will send you the screenshots, ha? I copied the screenshots that we are talking. Think here. This one, that one. The screenshots. I copied. You like that in your hand is here and me talking to you. And then with the cactus.
Very nice picture.
So I'm good at it, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, yes. It's 1 hour,
Yes,
Papito, that I draw this one. Mama said that you are a Jesus Christ. What can you say about my drawing?
It looks good. You're good at drawing. And you have...
I'm good at the drawing. I don't recognize you here. You're like an Egypt people. Egyptian people. But my sister loved my face here. Because it's
Your big lips now.
big lips. Yeah. So next time, I'm excited to. I'm looking forward in your drawing with me. I'm excited to it. So now I'm finished na the challenge. The challenge that you
I appreciate
asked.
And bigger surprise with the cake.
Because Ate Shane did make it and like, I will try to put chocolate up and then put the name and the flowers because it's our Monthsary. And then yeah, you do that. Supposed to be there. We were going to eat this one yesterday, but Ate Shane said, but I said that I want to surprise Papito with our Monthsary. But I know that you don't know and you're, what's it called, like you don't think about it because it's Monthsary and I don't know if you think about it. So yeah, and I don't do anything here and I would just want to create you a Monthsary 6 months of love.
I really appreciate it. It was a big surprise.
I don't know. The heart? I cannot see the heart.
I can't call it day today.
Yeah, because you're still drunk. So the cake, we will eat this one. I think tomorrow or later on. It's a small surprise. And the biggest surprise is here. The drawing. And I was thinking Papito wants to, it's really timing, you know. Papito wants to see my drawing and I count the days that we start to meet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I will just surprise Papito in our 6 months with the drawing. Love you. I miss you.
Miss you too, Mamita. I like the flower in your hair.
You like the flower? Only the flower.
Also you.
Your voice is strange.
Yes. It's a little rough today.
It is. I did get that in our neighbor flower. I have a lot of flowers here. Flowers. I love you. I miss you. I want to hug you.
Love you too. Oh, love you.